Hello everyone. Hi everyone. How are you all? Again I am here to present functional questions. It's taken from composite functions. Composition of functions. Here given that fx is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. X is not equal to 2 by 3 because at 2 by 3 function is not defined, so that the function is invertible. That is, this function we have to show this function is invertible, that is bijective, and also we have to find the inverse of this function. So let us take, we know that we will composite these two functions f with f, that is composition of two functions f with f. I have to show that this is an identity function. Then we are able to show that this function is invertible. Let us start. We know that of x, two functions g and f, when compose g with f, then it is written as gfx. It is written as gfx. That is, function g will be applied at the point fx. So, in this function, the only function is fx is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. So, we are going to find out of x. We are going to find out of x. This can be written as f of fx. F of fx. What is the value of fx? Fx is given here 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. So, the value of fx is 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, and this value will be acted as point, and again f will be applied in this function. What is f? 4 into point x, that is x will be replaced by 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. So we can write this function as 4 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 plus 3 divided by 6 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 minus 4. After simplification, let us go through simplification. This will be written as 16x plus 12 plus 18x minus 12 divided by 6x minus 4 divided by 24x plus 18 minus 24x minus 24x plus 16 divided by 6x minus 4. After simplification, we get here 16 plus 18 is nothing but 34x minus 12 plus 12 cancel, minus 24 plus 24 cancel, divided by 6x minus 4 divided by 34 divided by 6x minus 4. After simplification we get its value is x. Its value is x because these are the common terms. These are the same terms that will be cancelled. So f of x, here we can see f of x is nothing but x, and as we know that if the f of x of two function f with f is an identity function, it is an identity function. F of x is an identity function, therefore f is invertible. F is invertible. Invertible means f is 1 1 on 2 function. F is 1 1 on 2 function. This function can also be shown, said that f is bijective. And where here we can see that f of x is x. Therefore we can say that this function is invertible to itself. This function is invertible to itself because f of x is equal to x. Therefore f is invertible. To itself. F is invertible to itself, and its inverse is f inverse of x can be written as same as that of the given function 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. And this is crucial question for the point of view of examination. Thank you for watching.